Recommended use, recommended for ages 3 plus, holds up to 50 pounds. For princess fans, this fun chair desk features colorful graphics of everyone's favorite Disney princesses, ideal for homeschooling or remote learning. Kid-friendly design, desk sits low to the ground for easy access. Size, assembled dimensions, 20.47 L x 22.83 W x 23.23 H. Tons of storage, desk features pull-out storage bin under the seat that provides ample space for toys, art supplies and more. Built-in cup holder is ideal for art supplies. Durable construction, made of engineered wood and fabric built to withstand years of use. Scratch-resistant finish protects the colorful graphics, wipes clean easily with dry cloth. Top reviews from the United States. My toddler loves this desk. When you can get an order desk in your kiddo's fave characters, you can't beat that. My toddler loves this desk. She will color for longer and engage in activities because she is so excited to have her own desk. It's perfect for any area in your house.